For this video, we're going to look at the Open Days registration and scanning people in through the app. So first of all, we'll look at accessing the app and viewing registrations. On the iPad, go to the Ticket Tailor check-in app and open that. The app should already be logged in, but if not, the login details will be at the registration desk. From this first page, the home page, it lists all of the campuses. So we need to select the campus which we're working for the open day. So for this example, I'm just going to choose the first one, the Digbeth campus. Once you've selected your campus, it will take you straight to the dashboard for that campus. So we can see here on the dashboard, we have a total of 104 registered, and we have so far 0 that have been checked in. So we're expecting 104 people to come in for the open day, and so far we haven't checked in any of them. Scanning in the learners and their families. To begin scanning in the learners, we need to open the scanner in the app. So if we see right down the bottom in the middle of the page, there's the scanner icon. If we just tap that, it will open up the scanner. We use the scanner to scan the QR code that the learner has with them. They may have printed it out, or they may bring their mobile phone and open up the email that they got when they registered. As soon as we scan that, we should hear a bleep and we get the green notification at the bottom of the screen to say that it's successfully scanned. If we then go back to the dashboard, we should now see that all those ones that we've just scanned, we've got a total of 3 that have checked in out of 104. We can also see the progress bar has started, so we can see how far through our registrations we've got. Now, some learners may have already registered but not brought their QR code with them. In this instance, we can go to the dashboard page and tap the door list icon in the bottom right hand corner. The door list shows all of the people that have registered for the open day at that particular campus. If we tap on the search icon in the top right of the page, we can ask the learner their name and then start typing it into the box. This will then show a list relating to that search. We can find the correct learner details, and we can tap the little tick icon next to their name, which will check them in. So there's no need to actually scan their QR code. We can check them in through here. They may have registered multiple people to come along to the open day, so make sure that you tick all of the ones that have registered that have turned up. Now, there may be learners and visitors who haven't already registered online, but they have turned up to the open day. In this instance, they will need to actually register online. The process for this is simple. They just need to scan the QR code for registration using their smartphone and then fill in the details on the form. If they don't have a smartphone to hand, they can actually scan the code using the registration iPads. To use the registration iPad, simply open up the camera app, find the poster, the relevant poster for the open day registration. This particular one is Bournville campus open day, and we just need to scan that, and we should get a notification at the top of the screen. And we just need to tap on that, and that will take us to the registration page. They then simply need to tap on register your place and fill in their details. The first page on the registration just confirms the campus for them, so make sure they're at the right campus, and allows them to book up to 10 tickets, so for anybody else that's attending with them on the day, so we know exactly how many people have been through. Once they've selected the amount of tickets, they just tap the next button, and then that takes them to the registration form. They only need to complete their details and submit the form. They don't need to do it for every single person that they've brought with them. They just need to fill in their details, the learner details. Once they have entered all of their information, they need to click the green button which says click here to complete this order. They can then tap to view this order, and it will display the QR code, which can then be scanned using one of the other registration iPads. Alternatively, you can enter the door list page and search for their name as we demonstrated earlier. Once learners and visitors have finished with the open day and are ready to leave, we need to get their feedback. To do this, we just need to ask them to scan the QR codes as they're leaving and fill in the customer feedback survey. It only takes a couple of minutes to complete, and it provides us with invaluable data we need to gather to help us improve future events.